Hello Luxies, welcome back to my channel. To those that are new, hi, my name is Mitch and today we'll be unboxing another luxury item, this time from Hermes. So let's start opening this vibrant orange box from Hermes. So it usually comes with this tissue paper and inside are two dust bags. And let's just take a look at this small item here. I must say that Hermes, amongst the luxury brands, has the most intricate and most luxurious dust bag. So it really comes with this nice drawstring. Just take a look at the pattern and the material, and it says the logo in there. It has the logo in there, and inside is the belt buckle. I got this one in Palladium hardware. And as you may notice, it's in brushed finish in front, and on the side are polished. So I like a 3D effect in there. And at the back, this is where you insert the belt, and this is the lock. And it says right there, made in France. Okay. And then what's interesting in here is that you may notice in here at the top is the Hermes logo embossed on the hardware. So typically you may use this at whatever side, reversible, but typically this is the top part. Okay, let's take a look at the other item inside this dust bag. Still same logo, and inside is the belt. I got this one in black or noir, and the orange, the typical orange other side. This is reversible, and let me just quickly show you the details because Hermes logo is embossed in here. I got this one in size 95. So this is reversible, and this is made of cow leather. I must note that Hermes does not allow buying of the buckle separately. You have to buy a partner or pair of the belt and the buckle, but you can buy separately just the belt, but not the other way around. So I'm gonna show you a quick 360 of this, but before that, let me show you that there are 3 holes already on the belt, and this is where you put the buckle. And also to note, just for reference, that Hermes can do a custom punch. If you want to add a hole in here, they can do that for you. Unlike for Louis Vuitton, they don't do a manual punch on their belts. So let's do a quick 360. So this is how the belt looks like with the buckle on. The black part or the Noir part has a smooth leather finish. So this is how it looks like at the back. Let me reverse it for you so you can also see the orange part. So in reverse, you can see how vibrant the orange is, and this one is in grained leather versus the smooth leather at the back. You'll see it's like you're gonna have two belts in one, so that's why this is really value for money. I must say though that I've had other belts in the past, the Gucci and the Fendi, and the reason why I bought the Hermes is because I was inspired by one of the videos of Mel in Melbourne where she highlight why her must-have is the Hermes one versus like the likes of Gucci. I think this is still, although the price is double compared to those Gucci and Fendi, I think that this is really value for money because of how different it is, and you can do reverse. It's like having two belts in one. I must say that this Hermes belt I've been eyeing for more than a year. Back then it was only 42,000 pesos. It's now 51,000 pesos, which is like $200 increase. But like I mentioned, it's like having two belts in one, and the quality is just really superb. And I think this is gonna last me a lifetime. Do watch out for the next video. Stay tuned because I will be doing a comparison video of this Hermes belt against my Gucci and my Fendi, and I'll give you guys some tips, the wear and tear and the pricing of those, so you can decide which one best suits your lifestyle and your needs. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next. Bye and stay safe.